Keep watching. Hi, my name is Rofo Chifu, and thank you so much for watching. If you ever intend to invest in Africa, then I'll advise you to download my books on Amazon. These books are tools that's going to help you get started on the African continent. The first one right here is the business ideas for every African country. And the second one right here is the African business startup BRAINBOX. In this book, you are going to find the cost, estimated timeline, and the procedures of creating companies in every African country. So you see, if you intend to invest in Africa, then you must have one of these tools. Don't go away. Keep watching the Business in Africa YouTube channel.
Do you intend to travel to Cameroon for business, study, work, or tourism? Then contact Moss Travels and Tours. At Moss Travels and Tours, you can get quality assistance with your visa application process, work and residence permit processing, hotel reservation and airport pickup, car rental services, and many more. Call or WhatsApp Moss Travels and Tours on +237 696 856 540. Moss Travels and Tours, making your travel stress free.